and gentlemen, get ready, because what you're about to see is not just a motorhome, it's a revolution on wheels. Introducing the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends the soul of a supercar with the comfort of a luxury residence. For the next few minutes, stay with me as we take a cinematic journey through one of the most breathtaking creations in the automotive world. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Here we bring you the most exclusive, high-end, and futuristic motorhomes from around the globe, designed to inspire your imagination and fuel your passion for luxury travel. Now let's dive right into the star of today's video, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Just one glance at its exterior is enough to leave you speechless. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, featuring sleek flowing lines that echo Lamborghini's iconic design language. The glossy metallic finish shimmers under the light, while the illuminated rims on its massive low-profile tires give it a futuristic glow. The Lamborghini logo is proudly displayed on the side, reminding you that this is not just a motorhome, it's a Lamborghini. The advanced LED lighting elements trace the edges of the body, making it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. And with the backdrop of scenic mountain landscapes, this motorhome doesn't just sit on the road, it dominates it. But let's not stop at the outside, because as stunning as the exterior is, the real magic begins when you step inside. And trust me, once you see the interior, you'll realize this isn't just a vehicle, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. So let's open the door and step into the future. The first thing that greets you is the luxurious TV lounge area. Imagine sinking into premium leather seating, surrounded by ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. The walls are accented with polished wood and carbon fiber, giving the space a futuristic yet warm feel. And right in front of you, a massive, ultra-modern flat-screen TV dominates the room, proudly displaying the Lamborghini logo and text in glowing brilliance. This isn't just a lounge, it's a cinematic experience on the road, a place where you can relax, entertain, and feel the Lamborghini spirit all around you. From the lounge, we move into the bedroom, and this is where the Lamborghini Motorhome truly redefines luxury. Picture a king-size bed with a premium leather headboard, soft ambient lighting wrapping the room in a gentle glow, and panoramic windows that let you wake up to breathtaking views of nature. The finishes are a blend of carbon fiber, polished wood, and futuristic design elements that make you feel like you're in a luxury suite. And here's the romantic touch. Imagine lying in this bedroom, looking out at the stars through the panoramic glass and whispering, "This is not just travel. This is living the dream." That's the kind of emotion this bedroom evokes. Next, we step into the open kitchen, and it's nothing short of spectacular. The countertops are crafted from marble, the appliances are premium stainless steel, and the cabinetry is sleek and futuristic. Ambient LED lighting highlights every detail, while carbon fiber and polished wood accents tie the design back to Lamborghini's signature style. And just like in the lounge, a flat-screen panel in the kitchen proudly displays the Lamborghini logo and text, reminding you that even while cooking, you're surrounded by the essence of Italian luxury. This kitchen isn't just functional, it's a statement of elegance and innovation. Now let's move to the compact yet fully equipped mini toilet. Despite its size, it's designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of the motorhome. You'll find a premium ceramic toilet, a sleek modern sink with polished fixtures and illuminated mirror, a glass shower cabin, and built-in storage compartments. The surfaces are finished with marble, carbon fiber, and polished metal, while ambient LED lighting creates a futuristic glow. And yes, even here the Lamborghini logo and text are subtly displayed, making sure every corner of this motorhome carries the brand's DNA. From there, we step into the driver's cockpit, and this is where Lamborghini's racing heritage truly shines. The cockpit features premium leather racing-style seats with Lamborghini stitching, a carbon fiber dashboard, and a high-tech steering wheel with futuristic controls. The panoramic windshield opens up to a stunning view of winding mountain roads, making every drive feel like an adventure. In the center console, a sleek LED display for the back camera proudly shows the Lamborghini logo and text. Now that we've explored the interior, let's step back outside and admire the exterior once again. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome gleams with its shiny metallic finish, standing tall against the backdrop of majestic mountains and pine trees. It's not just parked, it's making a statement. Built by Lamborghini, a brand synonymous with speed, luxury, and innovation, this motorhome carries the same DNA as their legendary supercars, with a top speed that outpaces most vehicles in its class, and a price tag that reflects its exclusivity. This motorhome is designed for those who demand nothing but the best. And rumor has it, even celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo have shown interest in owning one of these futuristic marvels. Because when you combine Lamborghini's performance with the comfort of a luxury motorhome, you create something the world has never seen before. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and let them experience the future of luxury travel. And most importantly, drop a comment below and tell us, which feature of this Lamborghini motorhome impressed you the most? Was it the TV lounge, the bedroom, the kitchen, the toilet, or the cockpit? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, this is Luxurious Motorhomes, bringing you the world's most exclusive rides. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and keep dreaming big.